So the goal at hand is here. I have two glasses of colored water. So we have some purple here. OK. And we've got some green here. And the only goal at hand is to do a very simple operation like we needed to do quite a bit last week, which is to swap two variables, just like we swapped two numbers. So if you could go ahead and get the purple liquid in here and the green liquid in here, go.
Is it OK if they overlap?
Ideally, no. We want to put only purple here and only green here, and no temporary storage. OK, but you're hesitating. Why?
Because you told me they couldn't touch.
Well, you can touch the glasses, but you're hesitating to swap them. Why? OK, that's just cheating. Very good. OK. Very clever. Supposing you can't just move things around in memory, what if I gave you a temporary variable? Does this help?
Yes.
So how can we now get purple in there and green in there?
Can I put purple in here first?
Sure.
I'm going to spill it.
That's OK. OK. So purple goes into the temporary variable. Very nice.
Wow. Thank you.
Green goes into what was purple.
Yes.
OK, good. And then purple goes in from the temporary variable into the original green glass. Now a proper round of applause if we could. OK. Thank you. OK.